So, if you have been glued to your screens, obsessed with stock prices, then this video is for you. Because I'll be talking about how you can stop worrying about market volatility and focus on what really matters in investing. So, the Indian stock market has been on a roller coaster ride, hasn't it? Every move, every headlines, it screams to opportunity or crisis. You start believing that every dip or rise holds profound meaning to your investments. But let me tell you something. The obsession with these price movements, it's a trap. See, because constantly looking at the prices doesn't make you a better investor. It makes you more anxious. If you ask why, it is because the prices don't tell you the whole story. And this misunderstanding leads you to poor decision making. So one of the biggest myths in investing is that a stock with a lower price is cheaper or better buy than one with a higher price. It's a similar misconception that people have with mutual funds NAV. So let's take an example. If there are two funds, first fund's NAV is 20 rupees and the second one NAV is 100 rupees. So obviously you will think that you should go for the 20 rupees NAV because it looks like it has more room to grow. But the truth is that price is not the same as value. Because this 20 rupees stock may be overvalued, while this 100 rupees one might be a steal. My point is that it's not about the raw numbers. It's about the context, the company's fundamentals, growth perspective, and broader market conditions. And market volatility makes this even worse. So the real question is how you should stop worrying about market volatility. Here are 4 tips. First, understand the context. Look at the price movements in relation to the company's earnings, prospects, and market positions. Second, think long term. Because remember, investing is not always about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Third, use ratios, not raw prices. Because tools like price to earnings give you a much clearer picture of value. And fourth, stop obsessing over daily movements. So always check your portfolio periodically, like every quarter wise, not daily. Because if you will be checking the prices daily, then it will create more stress, not your wealth. So if you have any questions related to investments or finance, you can contact on this number because we Fincart have 70 plus certified wealth advisors who will help you to invest your hard-earned money and achieve your financial goals. And if you found this video informative, do subscribe because we upload these kinds of videos every week. And for more finance content, you can watch these.